Hello friends, in this video I'll be sharing with you how to make black seed oil. Here I have my black seed. I'll be transferring it into my grinder, then blend into powder. In this video we are not just going to learn how to make black seed oil, we're also going to be looking at some health benefits of black seed oil. Some people refer to this oil as miracle oil as it treats over 200 diseases around the world. Now that the black seed is nicely blended, I'll be transferring it into a bowl. You can also transfer it into an airtight container as it can last several days at home and can also be used for different culinary purposes or for making black seed oil. And I'll be sharing with you how to use this black seed oil. So let's start by making the oil first. Here I have my black seed oil. I'll be adding 5 tablespoons of it to a clean container with a lid. And I'll be adding 1.5 cups of coconut oil to it. Stir together, cover, and set aside. You can also use any carrier oil of your choice, either almond oil or olive oil depending on your choice. I prefer coconut oil for making black seed oil because coconut oil has so many health benefits. This is one oil that is needed in every kitchen since it can cure several diseases, as it is often said that the only thing that black seed oil cannot cure is death. After stirring it properly, I'll be covering it with a lid. Then I'll be setting this aside and I'll allow it to rest between 2 weeks to a month. This is like 48 hours. I'll stir it together so that it can release all its nutrients into the oil. I'll be repeating this process until the day that I will strain the oil from the black seed. This first process of making black seed oil is known as the cold press method, as I will be sharing with you later in the video the hot press method, which is less time consuming when compared to the hot press method. The difference between the hot press and the cold press is that in making the hot press method, about 20% of the nutrient is lost, while in making the cold press method, you are sure of getting the 100% nutrient from the black seed. And here I have my black seed oil, which I've rested for about 17 days. You can see how it looks like. You can see that the oil has become darker. And here we have our black seed oil ready. The next thing I'll do is to go ahead and strain the oil from the black seed, which means we just separate the chaff from it, then we have our black seed oil. Black seed oil has several health benefits. It can be used for the treatment of weight loss. It also has anti-inflammatory and antifungal properties. It can also be used for the treatment of swollen gum, asthma, flu, body massaging, skin care such as eczema, pimples, and other related skin diseases. This oil can also be used for the treatment of hair. It can stop hair breakage and also aid in hair growth. This oil can be used for the treatment of infertility in women and also low sperm count. Black seed oil can also serve for different culinary purposes, like adding it to stew for cooking. Also, it can be used for baking. It can be added to tea and much more. Now you can see the chaff from the black seed oil. I'll set it aside and now we have our black seed oil ready. So I'll just transfer into an airtight container. Please, if this is your first time of seeing my video, kindly click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for more awesome videos like this. And to all my amiable returning viewers, I want to say thank you so much for being there. To use this oil for different treatments of diseases, it is advisable that 1 tablespoon be taken in the morning and 1 tablespoon at night after meal. Now that we are done with the cold press method of making black seed oil, it is now time for us to make the hot press method. So here I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of black seed into my bowl. Then I'll be adding some carrier oil. I'll also be using coconut oil for this method too. After adding it, I will stir them together. Then transfer the bowl into a boiling water for double boiling. I'll double boil it for at least 30 minutes. Then turn off the heat, allow it to cool down completely before transferring it into a cheesecloth for me to strain the oil from it. Now that you have learned the benefit of black seed oil and how to make it in two different ways, I'll be glad to know which method you preferred in my comment section. Please kindly like and share this video with your loved ones. After separating the chaff from the oil, here we have our black seed oil from the hot press. It also came out nice like the cold press one. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. God bless.